Here's a 20-piece set of EONLION brand universal oscillating tool cutting bits. There's ones in here for wood, metal, and plastic. There's all different kinds. If you look here, different sizes of blades, and they tell you right on it as well, you know, what they're meant for as far as cutting. They fit in most oscillating tools. It's kind of like a standard mount. It won't fit all of them out there, but I'll show you the one I have, and these happen to fit. This is the multifunction tool I have. It's a Work Zone brand, which is sold by Aldi, and you can see I have a blade in here already mounted up, ready to go, and it is one of the EONLION blades. This one is for wood and plastic, so let's go give it a shot. So let's say we wanted to knock off this corner here. I have the EONLION wood cutting blade in there. And as you can tell, it works very nicely. So once again, this was a 20-piece set of oscillating tool cutter blades for wood, metal, and plastic. If you'd like to purchase this product, you can find it on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.